Good morning. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It is Wednesday. This video should be uploaded today. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is a new arrival. It is a Volkswagen Beetle, in case you're not familiar. It's a US market Beetle. It is from the year 2001. That is exactly what you think it is. This has got power windows, power door locks, it's got leather seats, and it is a 5-speed manual. There we go. Got a key in the switch, no battery in it. Aftermarket JVC stereo, owner's manual, more flowers, because it's a bug. I don't know how many miles are on it. I should probably put a battery in it to find out. Oh look, they've got bugs on the rearview mirror of the bug. So I am down here marking up all the important information on the car so that I can put it up for sale on the internet for parts anyway, not as a complete car. And here's why. It's got heated mirrors, it's got power mirrors, it has power windows, power door locks, it has manual seats, they are leather, 6-speed manual, 2-liter gasoline engine, 6-spoke aluminum wheels. It's got this little graphics kit on it, it's got a rear spoiler, 4-wheel disc brakes, and it's in pretty good condition. The body's not banged up, it's not rusted out, the underside's very clean. But this wheel is turned, if you can see it, clearly you can see this wheel is turned, and this wheel is not. Okay, here's my theory. Because see how the spacing is even between the front and the back of the wheel, and if you look, even though the wheel's turned, you can tell that the spacing is about correct. I think the ball joint is fine. We either broke or bent a tie rod for the steering, I'm guessing. Or maybe when they loaded it onto the rollback they did it, I don't know. I can't exactly see up in there to know. It doesn't look like the tie rod or anything bent. So I'm assuming that this was, she said something broke in the front end. And that's it, that's all I got out of it. She was thinking an axle or something maybe fell out, but an axle's not gonna knock your steering out like that. So the bug runs, the bug would drive if you could steer the bug. And if you wanted to figure out why, if you wanted to replace the rack and pinion or what have you, I guess it could be fixed. But I don't think an axle fell out. I think a tie rod or something, or the power steering rack is broke. So
I tried it this morning, or either the starter's bad. It's got brand new looking oil in it, so that makes me think lots of
standard little 2.0.
I need to know where the freeze key is.
Huh?
The freeze key is.
On top of my computer.
Okay.
For the silver Prius?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on top of the computer. It's still in the little bag thing. But yeah, figured I'd share this one with you real quick. So I'm gonna try to have this thing inventoried and online. Okay, it takes like a 24-hour period before stuff goes online on the website. So if you see this today, which you probably will, and I put it in our inventory today, which I will, it will not show up for everybody else until tomorrow. there's a delay. Don't know why there's a delay, but there's a delay, and that's just how it works. So, all right, guys, what you think of the little Volkswagen Beetle? I've never hated these. This is not exactly a car I'd want to own or anything, but I'd probably take one if you gave me a diesel. I always thought that was neat, that you could get it with a manual and a diesel. But you're not gonna see me going out and buying myself a bug. I'm not a big Volkswagen fan either, but so I had a friend in high school who wanted one of these so bad. This is kind of sad. She, and not about this, but she really liked the Beetles. She did, and you know, everybody's got a car that they like, and she liked this Beetle, and she worked and she worked and she worked and she saved up money, and we looked at a Beetle and she bought the Beetle, and it was a good looking little Beetle. I remember the day she got it, we went over there and we cleaned it up, got it looking all spiffy. I mean, it was an automatic gas engine. It was blue, just like a royal blue, no trim or nothing, no fancy little body kit or wing or anything like that, just plain Jane bug. And she went to Spartanburg in it that night and got T-boned. I mean, it completely totaled that car. Hit her, T-boned her, and then knocked her off the road into some bushes, went over a curb. I mean, just destroyed that bug. And I remember I felt so bad, because that is all she had wanted. And she ended up in a Nissan Maxima, I think, after that. Because there wasn't a lot of these bugs around here for sale, and the ones that were for sale were ridiculously expensive. And I don't know, it's kind of sad. But I still think about that when I think about someone wanting a bug. I'm like, oh, all I can think about is the mental image of one just crunched out of heck. She was completely fine though. It didn't hurt her at all. She walked away from it, except she was just sad. But anyway, guys, we are still awaiting this hurricane. Should be here by this weekend. We'll see how that goes. The path has changed now. It's supposed to, instead of plowing up through North Carolina and into Virginia, it's gonna kind of turn back and come back into South Carolina, supposedly. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think. I'm gonna go upload this video for you guys to see. I'm gonna put this car online so we can get some parts sold off of it. Hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll catch you in the next one. Maybe I can film something else today, like that awesome step side forward, huh? Step side forward? Step side forward? Look, it's got a visor on it. I don't know.